Hi guys, I know I haven't posted in a long time from this whole corona stuff. Um, I went to the doctor's today, and if you see something moving like right here in the background, that's just my foot hitting the chair. Um, I went to the doctor's and I got tested for COVID. I have a few signs, like I can't taste anything like that. I think, I just hope I don't have COVID. I really don't want it. Thank you guys for all your support throughout this YouTube career. I really didn't think I was gonna get past 10 subscribers. Well, thank you all for watching my videos. Sorry I haven't posted in so long. You guys are the best.